Ma,
Yes.
I have a question for you. Can you please come sit here?
Okay.
So, at Bible study, we were learning about Jesus and Judas. Why did Jesus betray him? And was Judas actually Jesus' friend?
Yes, Judas was more than a friend to Jesus. Yeah.
Well, then if Jesus was more than friends with Judas, then why did Judas betray him like that?
Judas betrayed Jesus is not because he hated him, no. It's because he was jealous of him.
How did he become jealous? I don't get it.
It happens sometimes when your friend think like that you are better than them, and they'll be jealous. And when someone is jealous of you, they can betray you anytime. So you have to choose wisely who is gonna be your friend. Because when God wants to bless you, He uses people, and when the devil wants to destroy you, he uses the same people. So you have to be careful with friends. It's better to have a one loyal friend than have 1,000 of fake friends.
Thank you, Ma. I get it now.
Okay.